Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your version. Dictate requires Microsoft 365 or Office 2019 and assigned an account. Once done, plug in or enable your microphone and check the OS input level so speech is picked up clearly. Make sure Word is updated. Go to File Account Update Options and apply updates if available. Then open the document where you want to dictate. These steps get the app and hardware ready, so the dictate command appears and functions reliably. Now you enable Dictate inside Word. On the Home tab, locate the Dictate microphone icon and click it to begin. Speak naturally. Word transcribes as you talk. Once running, use the Dictate drop-down to select Language, Auto-punctuation, or voice commands for punctuation and new paragraphs. If background noise interferes, move closer to the mic or mute other sources. Make sure to allow microphone access if Windows or Mac OS prompts you. Otherwise, Dictate cannot capture your voice. To finish, click Dictate again to stop and then proofread the text, correcting any transcription errors. Voice tools reduce typing, but don't replace editing. If Dictate won't start, make sure microphone permissions are granted to Office, test the mic in another app, and confirm you're online because cloud processing is used. If problems persist, update audio drivers or run the Windows Speech Troubleshooter. This often resolves device or permission issues, so Dictate works consistently.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.